back to my channel. I am Shemika Mechelle, your favorite seamless extension specialist. And in this video, as you can tell from the title, I am going to be walking you through a K-tip install with color that I did on my client. She's actually getting married, and this install was absolutely perfect for her because of the versatility. Of course, with every install, I start off at the shampoo bowl with a good cleansing and moisturizing shampoo and deep conditioner. She has been blow dried, and as you can see, I have silk pressed her out. I gave her a light trim just to dust off her ends, and then I did the install. And here it is. I did install it off camera, but this install came out absolutely perfect. Okay, now she is all styled up, and as you can see, she is absolutely loving this install. I am loving the install. Like, this literally is perfection. K-tip extensions are what you need if you want to wear extensions, but you still want to be able to access your scalp and just be free. You don't want anything confined to your scalp, and you want versatility and options. If you want to know if K-tip extensions will work for you, make sure you go to visit my website, www.imcrown.com, and you can book a consultation. If you are a stylist and you're looking to learn this technique, you can also visit the website and schedule a one-on-one training. Until next video, smooches.